Big D.
This is back here trying to look for some Hot Pockets.
Back in the snack pack.
Still phone.
A snack pack to Tyree's house. Yeah, I'm away. So I got me some egg rolls. No. Hey, bring me home some cheese. Okay guys, so say hi Nisha. Fuck the camera. Wow. So you guys,
Get in on this side, because I pulled over.
we're about to go to my oldest sister's house. So I'll see you guys there. Okay, so we got to my sister's house and here's my dog. Move, Kush. Move. Stop. It's not yours. Okay, you guys, yeah, so they're upstairs gossiping and I don't know why they're taking so long. Yeah, she's right here, guys. I'm gonna show you. Kush, baby. Kush. Hey, baby. Kush. Kush, go get it. We're about to take her to the hospital because she's not eating nothing. She's sniffing something. Come on, baby. No, come here. Stop playing. Come here. We're about to take her to the hospital because she's having like worms come out her butt. That sounds so weird. But yeah, and we're feeling bad for her, so I don't know. We're not giving that to her.
Make sure she stay in her lap.
Okay. Yeah, see you guys at Walgreens because we have to go pick up a leash. So.
I was explaining to them. That's for Banfield. Yes, we are VCA.
I got this one.
But we do have that one exactly. But I'm gonna show you if we do it as a first free dose, we have to do it every separate, so it's gonna be more expensive. But I can show you what I'm explaining about.
I drink medicine. Seething because she chews. Because I look at her and she be trying to chew on the side of the wall.
Yeah, so
On
she
the
has
side?
baby teeth right now, and I'm trying to see if any of those are adult, but those fall. The baby teeth fall just like in people. So usually around 3-4 months of age is when they start to fall. By 6 months, they should have all their adult teeth. So I would say she's probably more like 3-4 months. Okay.
I got it right.
So let's update that. I'll say 3 months.
Kush, please don't cry.
Treat to distract her.
Relax.
Come here. Oh, she likes to eat, huh?
They like to eat.
Okay, that ear looks good.
Told you should treat her.
Alright, good. Ears look nice and clean. We're gonna take a listen to her heart and her lungs.
She's kind of like antsy right now, so it's gonna be like boom, boom.
You're so cute. This is our first puppy and it's amazing.
It's amazing.
We never had one before. Y'all never had one.
We had Sammy.
Yours died. Actually,
It
she
got
ran
hit
away.
by a car.
What's the
Mom
difference?
said she died.
She ran away.
She probably dead now.
Yeah, her heart rate is super fast.
Because she happy.
What do we buy to clip her nails? Just a regular toenail clipper?
Yeah, I'll show you. We have little ones that are for dogs and cats.
Because them claws are...
Yes,
She
and we're planning
scratched
to
me.
cut that. Yes.
Yeah, they have
That's
long
yes.
nails. And it's hard because her nails are black, so you can't see. They have a little vein in there, so if you cut too much, they can bleed. So you can't really tell with her, but I'll show you where to kind of look at
Hey, stop
to
being mean.
cut, okay? All right, and then you did see some ticks on her when you found her.
Yes.
I just saw back here. Let's see, stand up. You see, let me see if I can show you. Let's see. Oh, you see like these black little kind of flakes?
Mm-hmm.
That's flea dirt, which means it's flea poop. Remember, the fleas feed off of the blood, and when they poop, it comes out black like that. So whenever you see that black dirt, it's usually because the fleas have been on her. So we'll get her started on a flea prevention, so that way we protect her against fleas and ticks and parasites. Can't give him a treat. Yeah, if you guys want to distract with a little treat, that way she doesn't.
She'll get distracted
Here.
with this toy.
No, she's going to get
Give
too
her,
distracted.
give her the treat. Here. You guys can give her that. That's it.
Good girl.
I would have been like, no.
You're so
She
pretty.
didn't even notice.
This one goes in the nose. This is one that protects against respiratory diseases. Good. Oh, bless you. And there's a dewormer. Oh, this one she likes. Oh, come here. You're gonna make a mess. There we go. Good girl.
Give me more of that.
She's laughing.
All right, excellent. So let me get you the schedule so you know when she's due for her next vaccines. Make sure, did you bring us a poop sample?
No, they don't.
Make sure to
And we
bring
have
it.
the
It's
folder.
part of the
Okay.
package, and with puppies, it's very important to check for worms, okay?
Okay, we're gonna bring it right back.
Yeah, and then we're also gonna get her started on the flea prevention. And
I think Kush gay. She like those girls.
No, she just want to make friends.
Pretty, huh, Kush?
So you guys, we have to go back home because they forgot poop. Poop, my bad. Yeah, we forgot poop.
Bring her back.
She don't want your attention right now. Leave her alone.
Say hi.
Sam.
Who is Sam?
He's the Sammy.
Sam!
It's cool.
Oh, what we used to call Sammy? Oh, Samantha.
Samantha.
Oh,
Angel,
Samantha.
Okay, she had me on camera.
We should change her name to a girl name because people don't think she's a drug. You see, she couldn't
And
get it
Kush is like a
Kush
boy
said Kush.
name.
Kush. I was like, Kush, I thought a dog.
Yeah, she don't really know her name yet.
Sam!
Nah, she getting used to it. Because look, Kush. Kush.
Sam!
Nah, she don't care about none of us.
Kush.
Why she
She wanna... Cause you act like we abusing you.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Okay, guys, so we're leaving right now. Come on, Kush.
Do we just give
Come on, baby.
Oh, no. Just not about
Oh.
Thank you. What did you do? I wanna leave. Come on, Mom. Let it go.
Thank you guys so much for watching my YouTube video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment for more videos. Hope you like this video again. Yeah.